I said to Matt a moment ago, many of these cases have been tested, they've been tried. There may not be many new types of cases. They've probably all been heard at some point or another. Do these laws and requirements change over time?
They do change over time. You know, we get laws from several different sources. There's statutes that are passed by Congress or the legislature in Alabama. There is Department of Labor regulations, OSHA regulations, things like that that impact employers-employee relationship. And then there's case law, where the federal courts or the state courts will interpret a case and hand down certain provisions, say we think this constitutes sexual harassment, this does not, that type of thing. And so it's constantly evolving. We have to constantly read to be up on the latest case, the latest regulation, the latest statute to keep track of it. And it's really, what I tell people when I do seminars for employers is it's a minefield. And so you really got to be careful, because as an employer or a business, your biggest exposure from a lawsuit is from either doing a bad job on your job or producing a bad product, or making a mistake and getting into a discrimination situation or a harassment situation or a workers' comp situation dealing with your employees. You know, we tell people your employees are your greatest asset for your business. I don't care what your company is, that's your greatest asset. And so you've got to make sure that you're protecting that asset and following the laws that tell you how you're supposed to treat that asset. So it's really important that people get educated as to what the standards are for how they manage their employees, and employees know what their rights are.